Hey guys, what's up? It's FutureInventions here, and also Dylan JKJ19, and today I will be reviewing the Joby Gorillatorch. So, this is in the Gorillapod sort of family. As you can see, they're very similar. They use this same sort of mechanism with the joints. You bend it and you can wrap it around things. But here, the Joby Gorillatorch is a flashlight. So here you've got a little square LED in there, and it's actually very bright. Here you have the batteries. It takes 4 AA's, and it comes with pretty cheap AA's, but so it comes with 4 AA's, and you can make it really bright and then dim it down. So that's pretty cool. Now I'll talk to you a bit about the legs. If you haven't seen my Joby Gorillapod review, this is meant to wrap around things. So like in my last review, I'm gonna get a pumpkin. And now I'm going to take the pumpkin and I'm going to show you how you can wrap this around the pumpkin. So, here we go. You can just wrap this around here and then it will stick. And that really hurts, and it sticks on very well. Now what I like about this is the joints are a bit smoother than on the Gorillapod. On the Gorillapod they're sort of jerky. You can't really see it on camera, and I don't know why, but these just seem a little less jerky. And also, if you'll notice, there is a flat bottom as opposed to the round bottom, and this is because these tips, they're magnetic. So I'll demonstrate over here where I had my pumpkin. Here we have the radiator next to the window, and here I've got the Gorillatorch. It just sticks on, and it actually sticks on pretty well. So even if you have it like all the way to the side, it will still stick on pretty well. And these are really strong magnets. They even stick together very well too. And now I'm going to show you how bright this is. I don't want to shine it directly onto the camera because that wouldn't really be too good for the camera. So I'm going to turn off this light over here. So hold on a second. See, it's really dark. Now when you turn it on, here you have it. Now when you turn it on, here you see its maximum brightness, and that is very bright. You can see this and the pumpkin pretty well when I have, moved over the pumpkin. So you can see it's very bright, and you can see it very well like this, even with the light over here off, and it really does make a big difference if you look here. So I'm going to be using this in videos and on this setting. So now I'll just dim it very slowly, and you'll see it gets dimmer. So that's my review of the Joby Gorillatorch. Overall, it's very bright, very magnetic, very sticky, and it bends nicely. You can bend it around things, and I'm going to be using this on videos where I need to get up close and I want more light. So it's a great product, and it's really bright, it's really light, and it can be used for a lot of things. And plus, since it sticks, you can stick it almost anywhere. And if you can't stick it with these magnets, then you can wrap it around anything too. So that's my review of the Joby Gorillatorch, and thanks for watching. Bye.